Setting a goal for profits. Businesses are generally created to make a profit. How great a profit do you want? Let's assume that we go into the t-shirt business in order to earn a profit of $6,000 during the summer. So, let's consider the profit function. The profit function is equal to the revenue function minus the cost function. And so, with a revenue of 25Q and a cost of 15Q plus 500, I've arrived at a profit function of 10Q minus 500. In order to reach our goal of $6,000, we'll just solve the following equation. 10Q minus 500, representing the profit, will equal $6,000. So let's go to the calculator. I'm going to press the Y equal key. And here I will let the left-hand side of the equation, all right, 10Q minus 500, or 10X minus 500 in the calculator. So Y1 is the left-hand side. Now I'll make Y2 the left-hand side. And so Y2 will be $6,000. All right, to set a window, I want the input values, the quantities, go from 0, let's say, to maybe 1,000. And we'll do increments. So X scale will be 100. And then for a maximum Y value, we're just interested in until we reach a profit of $6,000. So perhaps I will just say 8,000 for a maximum there. And my minimum, I always go about a fourth below the axis. So 1/4 of 8,000 is 2,000. So I'll do a negative 2,000. And increments of 1,000 will be fine. So now I'm going to graph. And so here we have the blue function is our profit function, and the red function is the 6,000. And so whenever my profit reaches 6,000, it will intersect that line. So let's do this. Let's find the point of intersection. So on the calculator, let's press second, and then the trace key for calculate. And then if you'll notice, option number 5 is intersect. So we'll arrow down, select option number 5. And so here, the first curve, the left-hand side, the profit function, that is displayed up here. That is the first curve. So I'll press enter. It'll ask me a second question, second curve. The second curve is the right-hand side, the 6,000. That's correct. Press enter. And then guess. If I want, I can move the cursor closer, but all I need to do is press enter and it will lock in on the point of intersection. The point of intersection here is at X equal 650 and Y equal 6,000. So what we have is a point of intersection here that tells me that whenever I have 650 t-shirts both produced and sold, I should have a profit of $6,000. All right, so let's get to work.